Dual WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to have a dual WhatsApp on Android, make sure that you have two numbers associated with the WhatsApp because same number or it's a single number for two different WhatsApp is not possible. So what we're simply going to do is tap on the settings of a device, and as you tap on settings, scroll down and then tap on apps. Now the option of dual app or dual settings may not be available for all the Android system, so make sure that you have that. Now here, as you tap on apps, you can see the option of dual apps. So tap on dual apps, and as you tap on dual apps, here it says every account is its own app, so you can create 45 dual apps. So just tap on create option over here. As you tap on create, here you can see WhatsApp is the first one that's getting recommended. So tap on WhatsApp and then tap on dual apps over here. So just toggle on this option, and then here it gives a pop-up that creating dual apps requires working with Google services. So create a dual app for Google services. So turn on this option and it will start creating a dual app on your device. So you just have to wait for a while until it creates the dual app on your Android over here. After you do that, you can see the dual app has been activated, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.